It's God's own on the bit.
God's own killing me with his sound. I go repeat it for you. Baby, don't stop. Now you be my bus stop. Beauty, there's no life without you, girl. You are beautiful. I build my world around you, girl. You make my dreams come true.
Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. So I thought I should come back to you guys and do another slick down kind of low ponytail, low bun kind of hairstyle for you guys. I know you guys really love this affordable kind of quick updos. So yeah, I really hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please guys, make sure you do click the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well. So yeah, thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video. Alright, so right now I washed my hair yesterday, like last night, and I just put it in a pony or a bun, and I just tied it up, as you can see right here. So on my hair right now, I did put some leave-in conditioner. Every time I finish washing my hair, you guys, I apply my leave-in conditioner like without fail. Okay, so you guys know the leave-in conditioner that I always use is by CANTU. It's either I use this one or the liquid based one. So yeah, you can use either of them, but I prefer this one. In this bottle there's just water. As you can see, this is clear water. Okay, like I said, because my hair is 100% dry, I really want some moisture on my hair so that my hair will get slicked down, you know, perfectly, hunty. Okay, we are looking for that perfect slick down kind of hairstyle. So if your hair is fussy, I always advise you guys to straight your hair first. Definitely if your hair is thicker than mine, go ahead and give your hair a little bit of stretch. Stretch your hair like with cornrows or twists, or like in a bun, like what you see right here. Right now my hair is not like dense, it's not like in its natural shrinking state, because I did stretch it by tying it up in a bun or in a ponytail. So you need to make sure you stretch your hair so that it becomes easily manageable, and it also makes sense when you're trying to slick it down, because your hair texture is loosened up a bit, if you understand what I'm saying. So take your time, you guys. And I always get questions like, how do you slick your hair? My hair is naturally thin, so it is easier for my hair to take up the Eco Style gel or any other product that I use, because my hair is naturally thin. So I would advise you guys to always spritz your hair with water, stretch your hair, spritz your hair with water. If you're really struggling, I would recommend you do African threading. If not, you might have to blow dry your hair so that you can slick it down, which is something I do not recommend, but it's like a last resort if you've tried everything else. Okay, gel that I'm going to be using, you guys, is my one and only Eco Style gel. So one other thing, that if you are trying to slick your hair down and your hair is pretty short or your hair is too thick, you want to make sure you slick your hair down in stages. Okay, like my hair, usually I slick it all in one go, because it is easy for me to detangle, easy for me to brush, easy for me to lay down. But I do understand some people do struggle laying down their hair. So I'm going to show you another method, like a new method that I've actually tried out. Let me know your feedback if you've tried out this method, if it works for you, if you're able to slick your hair down. Okay, I would like to hear your feedback.
For you, can't help but know
So I really hope you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. It's like I'm trying to add a little bit of hair at a time to my pony or my bun at the back right here. So you need to slick your hair down this way if you're really struggling slicking your hair. I'm really sure this video is self-explanatory, guys. Like, I'm trying, okay? So once you get to where your bun is, you want to undo the pony again and then just tie the hair back again and keep doing this process until you've slicked all your hair down. It does seem like a lot of work, but you know, trust me guys, this will help you slick your hair down. If you're struggling slick your hair down, as you can see, it is flawless, okay? Can you see guys how effortless this is? Like, it is very like effective. Like, give it a try, you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried it before. Like, seriously, this is very easy. If your hair is thick and, you know, short, or, you know, whatever length, but as long as you're trying to slick your hair down, you know, give yourself some time and learn the technique, okay? This is very easy. As you can see, my hair is slicked down, hunty. It is definitely sleek. Like, seriously, it's sleek. I really love this method, so it is quite good. I feel like it is quite good. And just make sure you guys you use enough gel. I do recommend you use a lot of gel. Like, look how sleek down my hair is. It looks absolutely gorgeous. That's why I always say, you know, try the Eco Style gel, because it does give you a lot of product and the product is very affordable. Like, it is cheap. If you don't live where you can find Eco Style gel, you guys, you can use any gel that you use in your country. Like, if you're from Zim, use that Dax gel, okay? It is very good. I remember using it back in the day while I was still in Zim. It is good. It is good quality. Like, seriously, you don't really have to use Eco Style gel. You can use any gel that you can easily find wherever you are, okay? So as you can see guys, my hair is well nice and sleek, as you can see right here. I'll turn around so you guys can see. for that extra sleekness, okay, sleek, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my LOTTA body wrapping foam just to sleek my hair down. But you don't really have to use the wrapping foam because the Eco Style gel is pretty good, okay. Now that my hair is nice and sleek, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it down, and then I'm gonna sit under the dry for about 15-20 minutes. It all depends. I don't really have the time to dry my hair, like air dry my hair today. I am going to work, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sit under the dry for at least 15-20 minutes maximum, okay, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, like seriously, whose hair is this? Falsy hair, okay, representing Falsy. It does look amazing. It is like nice and sleek, as you can see right here. So this is another perfect way to lay your hair down, sleek your hair down if you've got Falsy hair like mine. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and just, you know, finish off the hair tutorial, you guys. I'm going for a low like bun kind of hairstyle, and I'm using my Marley hair, so you guys know the brand that I usually reach for. This is the hair that I'm using, and I am using almost half the pack. It all depends on how big you want your bun to be. You can use half the pack, you can use a quarter of the pack. It all depends on how you want your hair bun to be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use half the pack, okay. So I've already attached the rubber band in the middle of the braid. You guys know the drill, okay. This is not new. If you've been following me on this platform, you know already how to do this, okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this onto my own bun.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me.
Let me know your thoughts on this new technique in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've tried it or if you think it is helpful. Like, seriously, I would like to hear your feedback. Like, thank you so much, you guys, for your support. I really hope you guys did find this video helpful, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, you guys, and also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.